Hi. Gonna do a quick USBORNE unboxing video. Okay, so for some math, we got 99 math puzzles. I think you'll really like this. They're fun, engaging, colorful, all the things kids like, and I've also heard good things. For spelling, because we really need to work on this, we got some starting spelling. He is going into 2nd grade, but he still struggles to spell, but I love this because it has a marker, so my youngest could use this as well, even though he's only 2. I got this children's sewing kit because I'd really like to teach him how to start sewing. Somehow we ended up with 2 nature journals, but that's okay. My youngest could use one when he's older, or when my oldest fills one, he could fill the other. It's kind of neat. You can go out in nature and they give you some journal prompts, and there's butterflies and pictures of really beautiful nature illustrations. Cats. I got this for my 2-year-old. I honestly kind of also bought this for myself because I'm obsessed with cats. So, the Book of Growing Food. We're gardening this year. Everything I touch usually dies. So I figured this could help fill in the gaps where I've been struggling to teach my son how to grow plants. Look inside how things work. These are lift the flat books. Very engaging, keeps him busy. My 2-year-old loves lift the flat books. Although he can be a little bit destructive with them, I have to kind of keep an eye, but I think this is really cool. And it'll also answer questions my oldest has about how things work and stuff. So there's flaps within flaps, and I think that's really neat. The Never Get Bored book. I can't tell you how many times I hear, "I'm bored, Mom." But I figured that we could take this. We go on road trips down to Texas to see my family sometimes, a couple times a year, if we're able to. But this has a lot of really neat stuff in it. I'm excited to show this to him. There is a lot of reading involved, but he's getting better. So hopefully as his reading progresses this year in 2nd grade, so will his interest in reading books with larger print, or smaller print. The USBORNE Children's Encyclopedia, he always has questions about everything, and I don't always like to Google stuff. I kind of like to let him try to find his own answers sometimes. So this is a good resource for him to do that. It has a lot of great pictures, which definitely keeps kids engaged. I think he'll really like that. The Science Academy book. This one's really neat. It's, are you ready for the challenge? There's a lot of challenges in here and experiments and stuff the kids can do. He keeps telling me he wants to be a scientist when he grows up, so no worries. This is great for kids who have anxiety, which my son kind of does. I think this is really neat. These kids' minds off of stuff when they need to just relax. The Entrepreneurial Academy. This is kind of neat for kids who want to branch off and maybe start their own business one day. Learn about stuff like that, how to do that, how to start fundraisers, services, make and sell stuff. It's got a lot of really cool information on that. The Engineer Academy, another science-y book. A lot of things they can do, stuff to learn about, to do a lot of really cool things. I think he'll also like that one a lot. Times tables. We haven't really started times tables yet, but I figure he really likes numbers, so he's kind of ahead of the game in math. But again, with USBORNE's really good with a lot of colorful pictures, a lot of activities, a lot of things they can do. So I think he'll like that for measuring things. My son loves to know how big certain things are, how small they are compared to others. This is a way to teach them how to do that, how to compare things and sizes. Also has a lot of math in it. So I think that'll be a popular one too. And since we are still working on adding and subtracting, this one, kind of similar to the times tables one, but a lot of problems he can solve and work on. And I did get a lot of math books from USBORNE because we do timber doodle for our curriculum for homeschool. And I'm not a big fan of math, at least I wasn't last year. We're gonna kind of try it again this year, but we'll see. This is the Amazing Activity book. This is just for those bored rainy days when they can't go outside. A lot of activities they can do or it's great for road trips. I'm hoping these will help him engage more in these kind of activities and stuff. So, how things work. Again, he asks a bazillion questions about how things work and how things are. And this is another Lift a Flat book. So that's really cool. His dad would love to read this with him. Likes to know how things do what they do as well. I think that'll be popular amongst both boys plus dad. This is not a math book. This just looked super fun to me. It takes math and makes it exciting. This may be a bit advanced for him, but maybe I'll save it, or we could do it together and kind of work through it, but I think that'll be really cool. Lift the Flap, Computers and Coding. I'd like him to learn more about computers, because I know it is kind of the technology, obviously, of the future. And it's a good idea to know how this stuff works, because I have no idea. I'd like to learn though. Maybe we can learn together. This book stole my heart. Oh my gosh. Nibbles, the book monster. Oh, this looked so cute. It's like a book within books. Lots of flappies and little holes, and he eats through all of these stories that you can read together and changes them. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to read this one. I'm so excited. The USBORNE Big Picture Book of General Knowledge. And beautiful, beautiful illustrations. Really engaging. Colorful, exciting. USBORNE has the best books when it comes to that sort of thing. Keeping kids enthralled. Big Book of Comparisons. I got this for my oldest because, like I said, he loves to compare sizes and how tall things are, how big things are compared to other things, how small. He's really, really good. I honestly think this is going to be his favorite book out of all of them. Oh man, he loves that. He's like obsessed with spiders right now. Oh, so cool. He's going to love this. He's going to freak out. State capitals. We got this for geography, where it's really cool. It's got a bunch of facts about each state. The pages are awesome. I don't know if you guys are weird like me, but I'm a page connoisseur. I love smooth, glossy pages. A lot of keys, state dog, state animal. Very, very cool. I'm a dirty dinosaur. I bought this for my 2-year-old because he is a dirty dinosaur all the time. In fact, right now he's sitting on my bed with socks that I think are full of sand. But I just think the drawings are so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm excited to read that one too. Miss Molly's School of Manners. This book looked really cute. Teaches you how to be, polite. My son's pretty polite. Kids, we do our best. But I just thought this might be a cool way he could learn a couple things if he wanted to, about how to act when you're at someone else's place and all that sort of stuff. My first reading library, I got this kind of for both of them. My oldest still struggles with reading a little bit. I've seen videos of 3-year-old kids able to read after using this, so hopefully it'll help my oldest if he wants to learn. If not, if this is too little for him, it can help my youngest when he begins to read. Bug Hotel. This is a really cute book showing bugs where they live in the bug hotel. This is actually a thing you can make. I thought this was really cute. It's another Lift the Flat book. Both my kids love bugs. I mean, what kid doesn't? I thought this was adorable. Waiting for Winter. This looked really sweet. I love squirrels. I thought this would be a fun book to read in the autumn, or even now when it's hot outside. It's like 90 degrees. This looks really sweet though. I loved the illustrations. Oh, look how cute. This is going to be a fun book. I think my youngest is really going to like it. Boy, this book looked adorable. This is about a boy who lived in silence and couldn't hear the fighting, but he could see the fear around him and how everyone would be much happier without it. So I believe the little boy is deaf and he wants to help everyone not be scared of the dragon anymore. So again, with gorgeous illustrations. I'm like very, very excited to read that one. I'm excited to read all of them. Who am I kidding? Oh, this one's so cool. The Shine the Light book. These books are awesome. I don't have a flashlight with me right now, but they'll show you if you lift the page and then shine a flashlight behind it, it'll show this picture on the front with this guy on the back. So you'll see the muscles inside this girl kicking the soccer ball when you shine the flashlight behind it. It is really cool. I apologize I don't have a flashlight with me, but this is so neat. So we got one of those on the human body and the other one on dinosaurs, of course, because dinosaurs are the best. So let's see. I'll show you. It's very cool. Alright, first box down. Okay, so what do you know? More math. Times table book, a practice pad. It's got a bunch of multiplication problems and a little book, easy to carry, just throw it in their bag. But it's just good brain refreshing math with colorful fun pages. 100 logic puzzles. These are just cute little brain teasers that help warm up their mind. These are kind of fun to do before you start school, or if they need a break from math or something, just gives them some time to stretch their mind. Good for summer break too. So this is the USBORNE First Illustrated Math Dictionary. It's kind of cool. It teaches you about the numbers. It has little problems, multiplication sentences, scaling. It teaches you kind of the terminology. It'll be good for school. USBORNE Illustrated Dictionary of Math. Again, this is a little more complex. You know, he might be bored. I might be able to read a couple things to him, but at least he could answer questions that I have for now, and he can use it as a tool in the future. And then this is the Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary. This is one he can use now. That can help him answer any questions he has or solve problems that he can't figure out on his own. It's pretty cool. This is for my 2-year-old. This is the baby's very first collection. I thought this was very cute little board books, which he loves, and they come in a box, and he likes to put things away and take things out, so this might be able to distract him. Little book of little babies, which of course he loves. He loves to point out every baby he sees, even if they're not really babies. They look at him like, I'm a big kid, sir. The big maze book. I got this for my oldest. He loves mazes, and these ones are colorful and fun and exciting and engaging. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. Fractions and decimals activity book. Cute. Again, we're probably not working out. He's pretty good with decimals, at least, and percentages. So he might be able to take this on even though he's only going into 2nd grade. We'll try it and see how it goes. This is the Math Center kit, learning palette. It comes with the palette that kind of goes in the middle. On the learning palette, you remove all of these. You position question side up on the learning palette. You answer questions, and it's kind of like a puzzle. You answer questions by placing their corresponding color discs in the slot containing the correct answer. Upon completion, turn the card over to check the answers. If done correctly, the colors on the card will match those on the discs. So that's cool. And it comes with all of the problems and cards. So that'll be a fun, engaging math activity we can do together. So that is it for the USBORNE unboxing. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys order from USBORNE, I'd love to know what books are your favorites. And let me know what you guys think of the books I got, if there are some that you do like, if there are some that you don't like. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.